I'm back. It's Bud Lamb Talk. I'm just kidding, bro. What's good, y'all? Easy Boy Lamb Talk 1400, and I'm back on another video. And guys, like I said, like I promised, when I get my second package, I will do a review video. But anyway, I just want to hop on here and tell y'all that real quick. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. Sight, you thought it finally came. Finally came. The Undisputed Era. Yes, sir. It took 2 weeks for this thing to come by. 2, 3. I don't know, I think 2 weeks. I don't know. Anyway, I picked this up at Recycle at the Wood where I use code FREESHIP to get free shipping off this thing. And that's what you should do too. But yeah, let's get straight into the unboxing. But anyway, in this 3-pack, we got Bobby Fish, Adam Cole, and Kylie O'Reilly. Or Kyle. Kyle O'Reilly. I don't know why I say Kylie. Kyle O'Reilly. I think that's how you say it. I keep hearing Kylie for some reason. There it goes. That's what I keep hearing from everybody. Like, his name was like Kylie O'Reilly. That's what I kept hearing. Gotta be careful with the box, cause I'm trying to keep the box. You know what I'm saying? One flat. God. I swear I'm so bad at the flats. The flats. Let me see. Good. Dang. I'm ripping the box a little bit, but I'm trying my best. Got it. Almost. There it goes. Oof. Tough one. It ain't breaking yet. Okay. Oh. Like this. So, bruh. Oh. How am I supposed to get this out of the packaging? That's why this packaging needed there for me. God dang, this thing hard. I hate these type of packages where I have that different design. Cause those things be the death of me, cause you don't even know how the freak it comes out. Oh wait. Let me do that. Good. I'm literally about to rip this thing in a second. Am I? Got it. There you go. Undisputed Era. Put that out to the side so I can put it back in. the box itself, it looks pretty cool. It says shockless system. But, dude, y'all, I'm a complete idiot. Never mind. I'm not an idiot. I thought you could like cut open the flap right here. But never mind. But dude, look at that. That's really cool. But yeah, first, let's get the CEO of the Undisputed. Oh Lord, guys, it's the same packaging that the Shield reunion pack has. It's all together. Oh Lord, I hate this. I really hate this. One bit. Then, careful not to break the figure. Yeah, that's bingo. That's one figure. And this thing is gonna be loose for a little bit. There's something. What the heck? I don't know how this goes. What the heck? Gotta get it together. Bro, what the y'all, I think I gotta complain to the company that the leg is like broken. Actually, I think I gotta complain to the company now. Actually, let me see. I think I do. Never mind, I don't. I was about to say, if I waited 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks for that piece of crap, I would have been mad. Like, you wait 3 weeks on a package and it's already broken. Don't y'all hate when that happens? Just like that, the second figure comes out quick. I did say that I was gonna take out the CEO of the Undisputed era first, but I'll get straight into the review in 1 second. But now, all we got is Bobby Fish. Yo, I swear, and just like that, all the figures come out of the packaging. That was really quick. Rather, it was. But yeah, oh man, the knee pad is screwed up a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, I think. See, that's why you never freaking do that. That's why you never put the figures in like weird positions. Because like, look at that. Look at the leg. It's all crooked and stuff. Just ridiculous, dude. Like, that's just stupid, kind of. But anyway, got all the Undisputed around. Show y'all quick. Yeah, look at this. Bobby Fish, Kyle O'Reilly, and the CEO of Undisputed Era, Adam Cole, baby. But anyway, this is all of them with their shirts on, and now I'm going to take the shirts off. No homo, don't roast me in the comments. But also, my first day of high school came by today. Now I'm a freshman. First day of high school was a breeze. Yep. Alright, basically, I'm not going to make this video that long, like 20 minutes long. So basically, I'm just going to take the shirt off and gonna show y'all it. That's Adam Cole, baby, on his trunks. Pretty cool figure. I've been wanting the Adam Cole figure for a while. Yep. Except I wanted the elite Adam Cole. I forgot what series it was, but it was the Adam Cole by itself. It came with the North American Championship, and it had that like head sculpt where his tongue was sticking out like that. And I didn't really like the head skin, because if you're like playing with that thing, no homo. But if you're like using it in a figure match, basically like he would just had that thing like that. I don't really understand. But yeah, here's Kyle O'Reilly with his t-shirt off. Pretty cool details. Got the tattoo on his side. Look like Tyson Kidd a little bit. And then, what was I saying? Oh yeah. But yeah, if you got like a head sculpt, if you got like a head sculpt with anything, like with his tongue sticking out, basically like it would be stupid, kind of. But yeah, and here is Bobby Fish. But like I was saying, if these guys, WWE use fake names, basically want to make it like sound cool and all that. Sometimes people go by their real names and all that. But I mean, yeah, people go by their fake names and all that. But I would feel bad if Bobby's parents named him, had a last name Fish. I would feel bad for him. Like, I really would. Like, basically, if you had a name like something like that, stupid. I'm not roasting Bobby Fish. He's a really cool guy. I really mean it. But yeah, actually, look at the t-shirts though. Undisputed CFO Era. It's all the same logo, so I'm just going to show you one of the t-shirts. But yeah, let me show you. Here they all are, Bobby. We got Bobby Fish right there, Adam Cole, Kyle O'Reilly. Yeah, look at that. That is pretty cool. Now I can finally do a Total Superstars video with the Shield reunion and the Undisputed era. And this is going to be very, very fun to use these figures in recent videos, because it's just going to be pretty cool. I ain't gonna cap. But yeah, I guess that's it. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of my channel, because I keep getting a bunch of haters, all that. Like, people, I don't know, they just don't really like my videos, and they just don't care about it. Basically, people be like, oh, you collect action figures. I don't want to cuss, but anyway. But yeah, you collect figures and all that, and blah, 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 blah. I'm not with all that. I'm really not. I'm not with all that, you know what I'm saying? Because if they try to bring you down, like, this is for all my collectors out there. I'm telling you right now, this is for all my collectors. Don't listen to whoever people say. Basically, like, you don't got to. You don't gotta listen to them. You can keep doing it. You can keep doing it, because, like, your collection is gonna be worth a lot of money. I can tell you that now. And people that say that you collect figures, they don't know that. They don't know that it's gonna be worth a lot of money in the future. Like, let me show you something real quick. Right there, that one figure in the box, that's a Jeff Hardy. Basically, unopened, none of that. It was a gift to me, and it felt special. Even though I already had the figure, it was still cool. But yeah, don't listen to what people say, alright? But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.